Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jaira Balyo. I am the demonstrator of Group 1. Group 4. So, requesting everyone to please stand and I request Erica to class. Okay, please remain standing for our energizer. So, just follow my lead, okay? Yes, teacher. Now, who among you here remember what was our last topic? Anybody? Yes?
It's all about nervous system.
Okay, it's all about the nervous system. So, what is nervous system? Anyone? Yes, Leah?
Nervous system is a network of cells.
Okay, nervous system is a network of cells. So, what is the control center of the nervous system? Yes?
Brain.
Okay, very good. So, what are the parts of the nervous system? Yes?
The part of the nervous system are brain, peripheral nerve, and the spinal cord.
Okay, thank you. So, since you all remember our last topic, let us now go to our motivation. So, I will ask you a question and I want you to answer me yes or no. Okay. Do you think that worms has a bone? Yes or no?
No.
Why no? Yes if?
Because the what is the
Snake?
snake? Because the snake have a backbone.
But your classmate says, ang snake daw ay walang bone. Are you sure? May bone siya wala? Meron. So of course, ang snake ay meron bone. What about the worm? May bone siya or wala?
Wala.
Wala. Good. So, sino ang sa inyo ang nakakain na sa are sure, let us now read our objective. So, sabay-sabay natin basahin. At the end of 45 minutes activity, with 80% of the pupils should be able to identify the characteristics of invertebrates and vertebrates, label the characteristics of invertebrates and vertebrates, show the importance of animals in daily life. Okay, so thank you for reading our objectives. Who among you here knows the Pinoy Henyo? Okay, so now I will be grouping you into two. So this will be group 1 and this will be group 2. Now, for our direction, team 1 and team 2 must have a representative of people. So the one player will be the guesser and the other player will answer yes or no. For now, for our mechanics, I will be giving you 2 minutes, and within the 2 minutes, I hope na marami kayong masagot. So, if the group 1 will get the highest score, of course, you will get the 10 points. If the other group will get the lowest point, of course, you will get the 5 points. So, mag-usap-usap na kayo kung sino sa inyo ang representative na magdadalik sa harapan.
gubat. Gubat bahay, sasagutan, di ba? Walo. Apat na kamay. Walo, dalawa. Walo. Spider. Tao. Tayo. Kita sa dagat. Nangaga. Fish. Octopus. Seahorse.
Sarap yan.
Salam. Shell. Seaweed. Shell. Salah ba? Mas. Sa land, water, air, land. Forest. Tapa-tapa. Kubangis. Mayo. Tao. May sungay wala.
4 minutes.
Nagubat.
40 seconds.
Paling. Sa
Pass na, pass na.
pas. Tawa. Ayaw. Sa dagat. Sa land.
30
Sa
seconds.
forest. Sa kapatagan. Sa apat na paa. Alaga ng tao. Aso. Tao. Ayaw. Ayaw. Sa forest. Sa city. Sa land.
Tapos na. So, round 2 got 3. And, para kayong may 5 points. Okay. So, thank you for cooperating in our activity. So, what kind of activity have you learned in class? Anyone? Yes? Okay, very good. What have you learned about the different kinds of animals? Huh? Wala. What have you learned in our activity? Anyone? Yes? Learn the different types of animals. Okay. So this afternoon, we will be learning about animals, particularly the vertebrates and invertebrates. So now, invertebrates. Let us all read.
Invertebrates are animals without backbone.
Yes, are animals without a backbone. These are the examples of invertebrates. So the jellyfish, walang. Yes. How about the starfish? Yes. So lahat na nakikita ninyo dito ay walang. So these are the examples of invertebrates. So what is this? Worm. Yes. This one. This is a snail. So snail also can have backbone. And clouds. Ang clouds ba ay nakakain? Very good. So now, we will be reading our invertebrates. So invertebrates are
Animals with backbone.
okay. These are the examples of vertebrates. The chicken has a backbone. And also the rat, the snake, the frog, and the lion. And also vertebrates has 5 types of vertebrates. First is mammals. So, mammals are
Animals have hair and drink milk when they are babies.
okay. So, do you think that we human belong to mammals?
Yes.
Why do you think so?
Because we also
Of? What will you do if you want to answer? Okay, who want to answer? Yes? tama yung sinagot mo, Will, and I have here also a question. So, we use Carabao and horse. So, ano ang mga beneficiaries na makukuha natin sa Carabao and sa horse? What's the answer? Yes?
The labor mom.
Okay. Yes, the laborers. Okay.
We use Carabao for parking for picture.
Okay. So, sino ba ang may papa and mama dito na nag-farm? Taas kamay. Okay. So, all of you are related kasi in farm, we use Carabao in our farm. Kasi may iba sa atin na hindi high-tech ang ginagamit na mga machine. So, ginagamit natin pang araro. So, we use the Carabao. Paano naman ang horse? Saan ginagamit ang horse?
We use them for transportation.
Okay, transportation. What else? Okay. So, horses, we use it for our transportation. So, now, we will having our recap and I am questioning you for this lesson. So, first, so, what is invertebrates? Who wants to answer? Yes?
Vertebrates are animals that know how to go.
Okay, after that, ano pa? Same lang. Yes?
Invertebrates they have some body.
Okay. So can you give me some examples of invertebrates? Yes?
Jellyfish,
Okay. Yes?
starfish,
Starfish.
spiders,
Okay.
Spider po.
Okay. Yes?
snail,
Principe?
Word ko dito.
Okay. That all belong to the invertebrates. So what about the vertebrates? Who wants to answer? Yes? Okay. Animals that has backbone. Now can you give me a type of vertebrates? Yes? Okay. Fish. Okay. Okay. Yes, and the last one is amphibians. So, since you all have learned our topic today, get a 1/4 sheet of paper and I want you to answer this assessment. Are you done? Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, next. Are you done? Let us read.
Animals like clams, jellyfish, butterfly, and grasshoppers are examples of what? A. Invertebrates, B. Vertebrates, C. Mammals, D. Amphibians.
What is the correct answer?
A.
A is the correct answer because you can see the clams, jellyfish, and the butterfly. Next.
What set of vertebrates does not belong to the group?
What is your answer? Okay, the answer is letter C. Now, we will proceed to number 3.
Which group of animals is invertebrates? A.
Okay, the answer is letter
A.
So, second to the last.
What do we call the animals that has backbone?
What is your answer?
Vertebrates.
Vertebrates. And the last one is?
What do we call the animals which don't have bone structure or backbone?
What is your answer?
Centimeters.
The correct answer is letter D. So now, please pass all your papers in front. Okay, so now please get your notebook and write your assignments.
Okay? Okay na tayo. So let's start immediately the critiquing from group 1.